These are 5 things I'm quitting as a minimalist to improve my life. 1, free things. I grew up in a family that loves free things, and I have friends who love hoarding free things. And that's the problem. We collect free things that don't fit into our space or our lives for the sole reason that they're free. The intention is in the wrong place, basically. Even free samples. This is a trap for impulse buys. How many of you have bought an item you didn't intend to buy, like at Costco, for instance, and you end up not liking it when it makes it home? I know people who collect and store samples of things. Okay, I was guilty of that. That just accumulate space in their home and go untouched. Why? Because it was free. Number 2, inauthenticity. I think there's a little part of us that secretly wants validation from people, whether that's from people we date, people we admire, our bosses, friends, etc. And as I got older and became more clear about what I wanted in my life and who I wanted in my life, validation became less and less. So I made a promise to always be authentic in every way I could. This means being true to who you are, accepting compliments without automatically giving them, admitting what you want in life no matter what others think, living for you, making choices for yourself, and showing your real self to others around you. Number 3, letting good things go to waste, like clothes, expensive foods like teas, expensive stuff like perfumes, and again, clothes that you're just saving for a special occasion. I definitely did this until I realized it's the same thing as hoarding. It's not being intentional because you're not using the things. So they're just sitting there. When it comes to clothes, your body, especially as a woman, it's constantly changing, and one day you may not be able to wear it anymore. This happened to me plenty of times. So I say don't be afraid to use it and enjoy it right now. That's what it's for, isn't it? Plus, there will always be an opportunity to replace it if it runs out. Number 4, bad vibe things, books, TV, social media, news. I truly believe that negative energy attracts negative energy and vice versa. And a lot of us are either unaware of the creeping effects media can have on our brains and subconscious, and some of us are aware and don't care, but wonder why we're always in a bad mood or keep attracting more negative things. So I want to challenge you guys to spend 1 week away from negative media like books, articles, social media, and the news. If you're going to go on social media, only look at pages that make you happy and joyful, like animal videos or, funny videos. And pay attention to how your mood changes from just a week of doing this. Number 5, choosing small things or cheap things that'll cost me more in the future. For instance, and I've used this example before, which I still regret, buying a cheap mattress that I end up needing to replace that ends up costing me more in the long run, or buying a cheap mic that lasts me less than a year versus investing in a good one that'll last me several years. But this also goes with things that cost time and indirectly money, like your health. By buying cheap, unhealthy foods, you not only pay the consequences of poor health, you have more downtime from things that are important to you because you're sick, you feel like shit, and you have to go to the doctors more often. And you will probably accumulate a high medical bill. And that is all I have for today. Comment down below which of these 5 habits you resonate with most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to live more intentionally. See you guys.